Preview. Let's get started. Start by searching for a color picker tool on Google and open the website. Upload your chosen photo to the color picker tool to generate the color palette of the image. Once the color palette is displayed, click on the download option and select PNG format to save the file. Now, launch the Alight Motion app on your device. Access the templates and choose the one you want to work with. Click on the Upload button located at the top of the interface and import the downloaded XML file. You can find the download link in the description. Replace the existing photos in the template with your own images by following the same upload process for the before and after photos. Navigate to the group where you want to replace the colors in the template. Open the downloaded color palette and refer to it while selecting colors in the Alight Motion app. Find the color option within the app and choose the corresponding colors from the palette. Repeat this process for each color replacement. Once you've replaced all the colors in the template, delete the initially opened photo from the project. Open the color palette file again and use it to replace the colors in the small color circles within the template. Repeat this process for each color replacement. Arrange each color in the keyframe according to the color matching you desire for the video. Ensure a smooth transition between colors by adjusting the keyframes as needed. Although not detailed here, continue refining the video by adding effects, transitions, and any other elements to enhance the visual appeal. Do everything the same way. I am showing only one here. After replacing the colors, delete the first opened photo one more time. Once satisfied with the editing and color adjustments, proceed to export the finalized video from the Alight Motion app. Thank your viewer for watching and encourage them to subscribe for more content.